What's up, guys? It's 6/24, 2024. What is that? June 24th, 2024. Nice day for the Bears. Bad day for your boy, uh, aka the Bulls. Yeah, just get right into it. I lost the accounts today. I got chopped up horribly right here. I got short thinking this was gonna reverse, snapped the pawn, um, waited, got long, got out here, waited a little bit. Okay, 3 bars, got short, snapped on. And then yeah, I made a little bit back here. Thought this was a double bottom. We were gonna test the EMA. I had got chopped up and yeah, I just lost the account. So I'm gonna take a break from Apex just because I'm kind of tired of dealing with their payouts. I have twice already. I don't even know. I request a payout and then it says only under review when I blow it out. So it's still my fault. We haven't Top Step a try because their payout rules are different, and I've already checked their reviews. They do payouts pretty much within 3 days of the request, regardless if it's your first or third or 15th payout. So I want to just try that. I am pretty upset. I can't lie. I went up 10K this month, and then I lost it all in less than a week, and I lost 8K trading at work. But it is what it is. We move forward. I am trading on a Top Step account, 50K, trying to get funded. I have to make 3K, and then I'm gonna be live again. And I think I'm gonna be able to make that by the end of next week. So yeah, so everyone knows I'm trading. If you guys see my shorts, those are still live trades because those are trades I took previously. My shorts are not up to date with where I am in trading. Try to give you guys up to date stuff on here. But anyways, let's get to the price action because I'm gonna go walk the dog. It's pretty nice out. First couple of bars are interesting. This is breakout mode. It's an Alice course. It's when you have a failed breakout above the bar one of the day and a failed breakout. Oh, excuse me. So bar one is a doji. Bulls go for the breakout and fail. So that's one reversal. And then bears go for the breakout and fail. And that's two reversals. So we have two reversals above bar one. So it's one reversal here, one reversal here. And then yeah, that's breakout mode. So this isn't standard Al Brooks pattern. He teaches that very early on in his course. It's good. Check it out. So we have breakout mode. Bulls get the breakout with bar 5. The breakout above the EMA with bar 6. So this is the lower time frame, higher time frame EMA, two breakouts. Do they get the measured move? That measured move is met. And yeah, 1-to-1. So multiple measured moves are met. Bulls. Oh, why is this one here? This should be right there. Okay, yeah. So they get the breakout between yesterday's high. Measured move. 50% of the time the market can race to support or resistance in the first hour. That's what happens here. Bulls get the breakout. It ends up being a climactic move. Bears get 3 legs lower, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. I also got caught here. Oh yeah, that's what I said earlier. I did get caught here in horrible reversal. Yeah, so that's a wedge bottom bull flag here. Bulls get the breakout. They try and go for a new high, but the market goes sideways. Big up, big down. Market's hugging both EMAs. When the market hugs both EMAs, it's better to wait. This is a tight trading range. Wait for 2 bar follow through, which I thought I did, but wasn't strong enough. I ended up shorting into support. And then, yeah, we go sideways here. Bears get the breakout. Bulls are hitting out of the longs every time. Bulls go for a new high. It fails. So, new high, failed. New high, failed. New high, failed. New high. And then finally, the market rolls over for the Bears. Bears get the strong breakout, bar 39. Not the best follow through, but it's the minimum follow through in bar 40. Bar 41, Bears start to break out below the higher time frame EMA. Bar 42 is good follow through for the Bears, and bar 43 is that first pullback. It's an inside bar. Inside bars are breakout mode. They're triangles on smaller time frames, and then it becomes a bear flag. Bears get another breakout for leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. Market goes more sideways here. We're trading around today's low, and they push up into the EMA and create a double top. This market goes range bound here. Might have to mute my mic for 2 seconds. I hear my dog running around, but not yet. So market's going sideways right here. It's range bound. You know, today's price action was more range bound than trendy. Here we have a surge and then it goes sideways. Here we have a surge and it goes sideways. So although it does look like we kind of trended higher, trended lower, there's way more sideways price action. Buy low, sell high. I think it was definitely a hard day. This was a good swing. This was alright swing if you trade the open. Sideways price action for about an hour and a half. Sideways price action for about the rest of the day. This was a nice sell-off, 2 legs, double top. The EMA is acting as resistance. I think they're more bears selling at highs now. The breakout here and follow through with 76 and 78. Today's breakdown is a little bit shorter. I can't lie. I am a little tired. I've been taking a beating these last couple of days. I want to show you guys my. I'm gonna edit this and show you guys my P&L. I didn't add today because I just haven't added today, but here it is. Making sure my name's not in it. So net P&L 1,000, which I lost today. I lost 1,000. Here it is. Came up to 10,000, 67, 3,000, 1,000, minus 200, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 400, 1,650, minus 3,000, minus 8,000. And today on the 24th will be minus another 1,000. So yeah, I requested the payout on the 15th and I blew it out a week later. Payout got denied, which is super sucky. It was $3,000. I'm just gonna give Top Step a try this month and then see what happens. I'm just kind of tired with Apex's trailing drawdowns, and some people get approved in 13 seconds. Some people don't get approved for until the very last day. I think it's because it was my first payout. They were waiting on purpose. So it's more one way to skin a cat. I hope you guys are doing good. And now you guys saw my name, so I have to edit this video. I hope you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later.